upbeat music plays, with a catchy intro animation featuring the Buy Smart logo. Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you navigate the chaotic world of buying stuff. Today, we're diving deep into the battle of the steam cleaners. On my left, we have the Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam all-in-one vacuum, the multitasking miracle worker. And on my right, the Neugo Steam Mop, which promises to turn your floors from meh to whoa, faster than you can say, dirt be gone. First up, let's talk about the price. The Bissell is strutting in at a whopping $185, which some reviewers found steep. However, they were pleasantly surprised by its performance, especially with the 2-in-1 feature of vacuuming and mopping at the same time. Meanwhile, the Neugo is a more wallet-friendly $119. Reviewers appreciate its value, noting that it offers great functionality for the price. So if you're on a budget, the Neugo might just be your new best friend, or at least a good acquaintance. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of functionality. The Bissell PowerFresh isn't just a steam mop, it's a vacuum and steam cleaner all rolled into one. Reviewers love how it has made daily cleaning of wood floors much easier. On the other hand, the Neugo is more of a one-trick pony, but a highly skilled one. It can transform into a handheld steam cleaner with 10 accessories, allowing it to tackle everything from grout to your kids' mystery stains. Reviewers find it user-friendly and versatile, making it a solid choice for various cleaning tasks. So if you need a Swiss Army knife of cleaning, Neugo's got you covered. Speaking of steam power, the Bissell promises to sanitize your floors with the natural power of steam, eliminating 99.9% of germs and bacteria. Reviewers have noted that while a steamer may not be super powerful, it still does a great job and has significantly cut down their cleaning time. Meanwhile, the Neugo cranks up the heat to a blistering 230 degrees Fahrenheit. With that kind of steam, you could probably cook a steak on your floor. But please, don't try that at home. Reviewers love its ability to sanitize floors and freshen up carpets, making it a reliable option for a deep clean. Now let's talk ease of use. The Bissell features easy-touch digital controls, which many users find intuitive and futuristic. However, some reviewers mentioned issues with maneuverability, but the Neugo brings adjustable height to the table. No more bending down like a pretzel while cleaning. Reviewers love its lightweight design and large floor pads, making the overall experience enjoyable. It's like the mop is saying, "I got you, fam." When it comes to the cord length, the Neugo flaunts a 23-foot ultra-long cord, which many users appreciate for the freedom it offers. Meanwhile, the Bissell's cord is shorter, which means you might need to do the awkward unplug and replug dance more often than you'd like. And let's not forget about the water tanks. Neugo has a removable 15.2 ounces tank, which users find easy to fill and clean. Bissell has its own, but some reviewers were unsure about its capacity, making it a bit of a surprise party for your dirty floors. In summary, the Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam all-in-one vacuum is praised for its multitasking capabilities and effectiveness in cleaning various messes, despite some concerns about maneuverability. The Neugo Steam Mop, on the other hand, receives high marks for its affordability, lightweight design, and versatility, making it a favorite for budget-conscious consumers looking for reliable performance. So who wins this steam showdown? If you want a multitasking powerhouse that vacuums and steams your floors at the same time, the Bissell PowerFresh is your go-to. But if you're looking for a versatile, budget-friendly option that can handle all sorts of cleaning tasks, the Neugo Steam Mop is your best bet. Before you make your choice, Remember to check out the links in the description below for the latest prices and deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Until next time, keep buying smart and stay clean, folks.